Hello friends, welcome back. I hope everyone are doing safe and good. This is the second part of the lesson chemical reactions and equations. Hope you guys are eagerly waiting for it. Let's begin. Before going to the topic, we will see the answers of the questions which were asked in the part 1 video. First question. How do we know whether a chemical reaction has taken place or not? The answer is, we can determine whether a chemical reaction has taken place or not by the following characteristics: change in state, change in color, change in energy, evolution of gas, and formation of precipitate. Second question. Why is it necessary to balance the chemical equations? Answer is, according to the law of conservation of mass, mass can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. The total mass of the element in a reactant and the total mass of the elements in the product should be equal. 3. Define A. Reactants. The substance which undergoes change during a chemical reaction is called the reactant. B. Product. The substance newly formed in a chemical reaction is called the product. Now for a big shout out to the people who gave the correct answers in the comment section for the last video. The first one is Learn with Nava. Wait, what? Only one person? You're sure? Oh, I guess people don't watch the full video.
Okay guys, in this video we are going to see the types of chemical reaction. Those are combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction and redox reaction.
Now let's see briefly about these types of reaction. Combination reaction. Two or more reactants combine to form a single product is called combination reaction. Example, carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Most of the combination reactions are exothermic reactions. A question might arise in your mind. What is exothermic reactions? Am I correct? Okay. So, reaction in which energy is released is called exothermic reactions.
Examples of exothermic reaction are respiration, burning of natural gas and decomposition of vegetable matter into compost. Let's see them detailedly one by one. Respiration is an exothermic process because during digestion, food is broken down into simpler substances and then carbohydrate are broken down to form glucose. This glucose combines with oxygen in our cell and provides energy. So the equation is C6H12O6, that is glucose, plus 6O2 gives 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus energy. Next is burning of natural gas. The equation for that is CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O. Example of both exothermic reaction and combination reaction is solution of calcium oxide. This reaction produces heat energy. So the reaction for this is CaO, that is calcium oxide, plus H2O gives CaOH2, that is calcium hydroxide plus heat energy.
Decomposition reaction. Single reactant decomposes to form two or more products is called decomposition reaction. There are three types of decomposition reaction. They are thermal decomposition, photolytic decomposition and electrolytic decomposition. First of all, thermal decomposition. Decomposition which takes place in the presence of heat is called as thermal decomposition. For example, here ferrous sulfate on heating gives ferrous oxide which is rust, and there is also formation of sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So there is order of burning of sulfur. Next example. Here lead nitrate on heating gives lead oxide and nitrogen dioxide. In this reaction there is evolution of brown fumes called nitrogen dioxide. And next interesting example. in this reaction helps in manufacturing of calcium oxide, which is quicklime.
Photolytic decomposition is a decomposition which takes place in the presence of light. 2AgCl in the presence of light gives 2Ag plus Cl2, that is silver chloride turns grey in light. The next equation is 2AgBr in the presence of light gives 2Ag plus Br2. This reaction is widely used in black and white photography. Next is the electrolytic decomposition. Electrolytic decomposition is the decomposition which takes place in the presence of electricity. 2H2O, that is water, on passing electricity gives hydrogen and oxygen.
Displacement reaction. When more reactive elements decompose less reactive elements in a salt solution, it is called displacement reaction. For example, in this reaction, iron, a high reactive element, displaces the less reactive element copper from salt solution. So, INL becomes brownish in color and blue color copper sulfate fades. Double displacement reaction. The mutual exchange of ions taking place in a reaction is called double displacement reaction. It is also called precipitation reaction because there is formation of precipitate. Precipitate or insoluble substance in a solution.
BaCl2 plus Na2SO4 gives BaSO4, which is a white precipitate, and there is also formation of NaCl, which is sodium chloride. Redox reaction. Reduction and oxidation takes place simultaneously in the same reaction. This is called redox reaction. A question might arise in your mind. What is reduction and what is oxidation? Oxidation means addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen or loss of electron. Reduction means addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen or gain of electron. Reducing agent helps in the process of reduction. An oxidizing agent helps in the process of oxidation. Reducing agent undergoes oxidation and oxidizing agent undergoes reduction.
For example, zinc oxide plus carbon gives carbon monoxide plus zinc. In this reaction, the oxidizing agent is zinc oxide and the reducing agent is carbon. The oxidized product is carbon monoxide and the reduced product is zinc. Now, let's see some of the effects of oxidation in real life. First of all, corrosion. Corrosion is a formation of reddish brown powder over iron particles. When a metal is attacked by substances around it, such as moisture, acids, etc., it is said to corrode, and this process is called corrosion. Black coating on silver, green coating on copper are examples of corrosion. Next one is rancidity. Oxidation of fats and oils in food items makes the food become rancid and their smell and taste change. Keeping food in airtight container helps to slow down oxidation. Nitrogen gas is used to prevent the chips from getting oxidized.
Hope you guys understand all the types of chemical reactions, and now there are 3 questions. Let's see who answers it correctly in the comment section. There will be a shout out to them in the next video. Now for the first question. Why is digestion an exothermic reaction? Second one. What are the brown fumes which arise on heating lead nitrate? Third one. What do oxidizing agent and reducing agent undergo? That's it guys, we came to the end of the video. We'll meet you soon in the next video. Until then, stay safe and happy learning.